welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a room tour because I haven't done a room tour on this channel, and I thought it would be so cute for you guys to see my room because I literally record here every video. So I just wanted to give you a detailed room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys when I'm showing you guys my room. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm ready to show you guys my room. First, I'm gonna start off with my desk area because I'm literally sitting at my desk, so it's gonna be more appropriate for me to just show you guys my desk area. And my room is literally so clean, you guys. My room is normally clean, but sometimes it can get messy. So I'm really happy my room is clean right now. So I'm gonna show you guys my desk. Let me show you guys. Okay, so basically, this is my desk, guys. Yeah, wait, let me turn off my ring light because my ring light just be playing with me. So let me turn it off. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is my desk. I'll show you guys in depth. So first, I have my hairspray on my bottle, and I have some perfumes, and then I also have this is my current diary that I write in every day. And then this is my old diary. So I have these two diaries that sometimes I just look back on and read. So yeah. No one really reads this except for me or my mom, or my sister, or yeah, but it's mostly for me because it's kind of personal. This is what the first one looks like. It's kind of this, design. And then this one is one I got from my old church. So it's anyway. So let me show you the rest of Okay. Okay, next we have my school books, my makeup bag. Then we have my moisturizer, my brown leave-in conditioner, my perfume, and then here, let me okay guys, I'm gonna be back. I'll be back, guys. I'm just gonna flip the camera so that you guys can see better. So now I can show you guys in depth. So this is my hairspray. This is my water bottle. This is my bench perfume. This is my body mist. This is my fragrance. One of my fragrance mists. Okay, and then I already showed you guys my journals. This is what I used to comb my hair when it's all natural. This is my moisturizer. This is my leave-in conditioner, and this is the box of one of my perfumes. This is the perfume, and that's the box. Yeah, this over here is where my skincare is. This is my hair cream. This is Vaseline. This is my what's it called, mosquito cream, so I don't get bitten. This is my deodorant. This is my edge control. This is my hair growth treatment. This is my NYX lip gloss. This is my lip balm. This is my lip balm. This is my serum. This is my perfume. These are my eye drops that I have to take every day. This is my thing that the thing I used to blend out my blush. You could say it's just a sponge. This is my skin. This is my sunscreen. This is one of my body mists. And these four are my deodorant. Only this one actually has deodorant inside. The rest are finished, so none of them have deodorant except from the one with the black lid. But I just keep them. Over here we just have my math. My math kit with my ruler, protractor for math. Then we have my comb. Then we have a picture of me. Let me move my ring light so you guys can actually see. Okay, we have a picture of me. That's me, y'all, when I was younger. Then we have, I don't know if you guys know, if I told you guys this, but I used to do Taekwondo, but I quit in green belt because my parents used to want me to do it, but they said I didn't have to do it anymore. So obviously I dropped out because Taekwondo, I didn't really like it. So yeah, this is the end of year sparring award 2023. I got gold. And then this is my everyday lip serum that I use in the mornings. And then this is just my bracelets. So yeah, that's my desk for you guys. It's literally, again, this is my chair and this is just my towel. That's my desk for you guys. It's really nothing much. It's just quite simple, and I'm so happy it's organized. Over here we have, and here's the mirror, guys. That's me. Oh, if you were wondering what's on the back of my wall, I have like these daily affirmations. If my camera will focus, okay. Well, some okay, yeah. See, words of affirmations. These are just some words like of affirmation. They help me feel more confident in myself. Yeah, and I put them up like 2 days ago, and I've recently been feeling way better when I read them. So I just like keep on doing that. So yeah, this is the mirror where I just look at, see my fits and everything. This is me, and then here I have the red bag, the small red bag. This is my church bag. This is my school bag. This is like my tote bag for like going to the beach or going traveling. This is my old school bag. And then here is my bed. I have a lot of plushies, guys. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'm like a plushie. I love plushies. I'm coming. Let me turn off my ring light. Okay, I have a lot of plushies on my bed. This is my bed. But I have a lot of plushies. I have that one, that one, that one. Yeah, and then if you're wondering what this is a book that I've been reading. I'm almost done actually. If you can see my bookmark, yeah, I'm almost done. I love this book. And then when you move closer, like here, this is like I guess my nightstand. So I have my lamp. Yeah. And then I have one of this. This is actually for coffee, but I just put water in here because I don't drink coffee. And then here is one of like my Stanley dupes. Yeah, it's like really cute. And then here I just have this bag. I take this bag to like events or like when I what's it called was doing swimming in school. After swimming in school, I use that bag to like put my swimsuit in. And this is my closet. I don't know why it looks so messy, but it's like not. It's like the clothes are actually folded, but I don't know. And then up there is like my suitcase for traveling. Then my mom's what's it called? Her sewing. You know that electric sewer thing? Sewing machine. The sewing machine. And then there's boxes, like empty boxes. And this is my thing. This is my like closet where all my clothes are. Um the first like this is like my cupboards, like my drawers. The first cupboard has underwear, which I will not be opening. The next cupboard has like extra stuff. There's extra toothpaste, extra hand wash. It's just like a refill station for my whole family. There's extra like hair cream, extra toothbrushes and toothpaste, extra mouthwash, extra soap, extra mosquito cream, extra like emergency kit bags, extra hair ties, extra shampoos, and then there's even more shampoos here, like more shampoos and like everything. This is just our restock station, I guess you could call it. So yeah, it's just a full jar full of everything, and my family comes here when they need like a restock. And then here, it's kind of just like a random closet, I guess. I have like my swimsuits in here, like my swimsuit, and then my swimming like bag that I use to take all my swim stuff. And then I also have my insoles because if you don't know, I have flat feet, so I need these insoles like to provide cushioning to my feet. So this is just random. It mainly consists of swimsuits, and like bags to take my swimsuits in. And as you can see, my Taekwondo green belt. Yeah, it's just random. Then here is like bed sheets, pillowcases, blankets, literally everything. Those things to do with beds, I have it here. So yeah, and then underneath is like my shoes. Yeah, that's not rain, so please do not mind. Then this is my other part of my closet. If you open it, it just has like church dresses, literally that's all in there. And then yeah, I think I've gone through every part of my room. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like my room, nothing too special. It's like pretty basic, pretty cute. Um, yeah, I love my room, and yeah, Anyways, I'm gonna sit down so I can film my outro now. Okay, let me flip the camera and then I'll be back to film the outro. Guys, that concludes my room tour video. If you liked this video and you like this type of content, comment down below the pink heart emoji. And I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for all the love and the comments and all the subscribers. I literally love you guys. Like, you guys are my motivation to keep recording, and yeah, I just wanted to say that. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.